I hope by now you guys must have known the reason why my channel grew very, very fast was because I pay attention to what my audience want. I pay attention to what my subscribers want. And on this video today, if you can see on the screenshot, my humble subscriber said, please do a video on how to calculate the lot size and position size for metas, indices like gold, silver, SP500, NAS 100, US 30, etc. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, because 80%, or let's just say 60% of what is going to make you profitable in Forex trading is going to do with your psychology, risks, and money management. And when it comes to risks and money management, you need to know to appropriately calculate the lot size you're going to be using on any of these instruments. So we're just going to be diving on my computer. I'm going to show you guys all the tools you need, all the free softwares you need to be able to calculate your lot size, be it on Forex currency pairs, indices, gold, silver, or all of that. So without taking much of your time, let's dive into the video. And I want us to just go on TradingView and take one simple example, right? Remember, yesterday, I did a video yesterday when I was talking about a setup that made me up to $10,000 or 10% of my account. If you guys can remember, I'm just going to put my phone like this so that it doesn't disturb. If you guys can remember, I shared this setup yesterday, and I was already telling you guys that this is a setup I'm going to be taking, or this is a setup I took that gave me almost about $10,000. You can see I got in here, made a risk to reward of 1:3, got in here, made a risk to reward 1:3, got in on this one, made a risk to reward of almost 1:3. Well, I think it was 1:3. The stop loss was actually here. Then this one again got in here, make a risk to reward of 1:2, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 4,000. That was a $10,000. And if you can see on my screen, that was a challenge that was already passed. And by now we are already on phase 2. I even told you guys yesterday that from what I'm seeing, if I can bring my Fibonacci from here, the video is there. Just click the link above. Click the link above to watch that particular video, or just go on my channel and check the recent video I posted yesterday. If I can bring my Fib from most recent swing low to most recent swing high, you can see the Fib came right down to what? Right down to the 38% level and closed as bullish. So this is a signal I gave you guys on the video yesterday. I gave you guys a buy here. So this is where you buy right there. Stop loss will go right here, and you go for a risk to reward of 1:2. 1:2 would have been here. So by now you can see we are almost going to take profit, just about 10 pips, and we're going to be hitting our take profit. That's it. I gave you guys this free signal yesterday. That's it. It's still on your screen. Now, okay, we're going to be using the same signal. Let's just say, let's start with a currency pair, and then we're going to go to indices. After, we're going to go to also metas. A currency pair like Great Britain Pound USD, how do you calculate the lot size you're going to be using on that trade? Immediately I put my risk 2, I could see that reasonably I'm going to be putting my stop loss on 23 pips, or let's just say 22 pips, all right? I'm going to put in my stop loss on 22 pips. So the first thing, what you need, I want you to take notes on this, please. I want you to take note. For you to appropriately calculate the lot size you're going to be using on each instrument, first you need to know the instrument, all right? You need to know the instrument, very important. You need to know the account size. The account size. So here we're going to be assuming we had a 100K account, right? So you need to know the account size. You need to know the lot. You need to know the pips distance. How many pips you're going to be risking on that? So pips, pips in risks, or risks in pips, risks in pips, or stop loss in pips. So how many pips are you going to be risking on that trade? And then that is it. And then how many percentage of your account do you want to risk? So percentage risks. So you need the instrument, you need the account size, you need the risks in pips or the stop loss in pips, and you need the percentage risks also in terms of, so the percentage you want to be risking. So in our own case, let's just feed this table. In our own case, the instrument is Great Britain Pound USD, all right? The account size is 100K. The risk is what? 22 pips. So we're risking 22 pips, and we're going to be risking 1% per trade. So 1%. Now, after knowing all these details, what's the lot size we need to use on this particular trade so that we can only risk 1% of our account, because the percentage you're going to be risked, the accuracy is going to be directly dependent on the exact lot size you're going to use. So the lot size, you just need one tool to calculate for currencies, which here you go to Lionheart Funding Program Position Size Calculator, all right? Lionheart Funding Program Position Size Calculator or Forex Calculator. When you go to Lionheart, just click on Tools and then click on Trading Calculators. It's going to bring you to this page. On this page, just click on Position in Pips, Position Size in Pips. Now, we select the currency pair. Great Britain Pound USD should be right down here. Great Britain Pound USD. You just scroll down until you see Great Britain Pound USD. That's it. The currency is USD. Account size is $100,000. Percentage risk, we're going to be risking 1%. And what's our stop loss again? Our stop loss is 22 pips. We click on calculate. Voila. So the lot size we're going to be using on this trade is going to be 4.54. Or in most cases, I just round it down to one decimal place. The lot size we're going to be using here is what? 4.5. Can you see this? 4.5. So you just go back to your trading tool. Maybe you're using now MT5. You just go on MT5. You put 4.5 or 4.5, you click on buy, and then you go on modify, put your stop loss, put your take profit. That is it. You can walk away from your computer. That's trading in peace. You can then walk away knowing that you've already predefined your risks. You've already told yourself that if this trade doesn't go my way, I'm only going to be risking 1%. Meaning in any situation, good or bad, there's no way you're going to lose more than 1% of your account. There's no way you're going to lose more than $1,000 of your account. It all depends on the lot size. Let's go to metas. Metas, remember metas, you have, you can either call them metas or commodities. I see a lot of you guys get confused. You can either call them metas or commodities. So on metas, we're going to be using a typical example, which is gold. Gold is a meta and it's also a commodity, right? So let's go back to trading view, and gold should be right here. Good. So we have gold right here, and if we can see here, I'm beginning to see a cross right there. So this cross would have been confirmed by the close of this candle right here. This is signal I'm already giving you guys. So this cross would have been confirming my fast moving average crossing over my slow moving average from below, would have been confirmed by the close. I think it should be by the close of this other candle. From what I'm seeing, by the close of this other candle, and remember this is the 1 hour time frame. So we're going to be, let's just assume we were buying that one right there. What we're going to use is we're going to enter on a buy right here. So this is our buy. Our stop loss is going to go here. I don't want to risk so much. Our stop loss is going to go on, let's push this a little bit. Our stop loss is going to go on 50 pips. Let's risk 50 pips on this one and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So that is it. Boom, boom. So that's the risk to reward of 1:2. You can see we are almost hitting take profit. Sorry. Now, we already know the currency pair. So what's the currency pair, or what's the pair or the asset? Currency pair or asset is gold. What's the current the account size? 100K. The risk is how many? We're risking 50 pips on this, and we're risking 1% of our account. That's all we need. So we then go down to the software again. We go back here. Here we need to select gold. Gold is XAUUSD. XAUUSD should be somewhere here. That's it. XAUUSD. Account size, we're risking 1%. Pips is 50. Click on calculate. Voila. We're going to be using a lot size of 2. Remember, we go with a lot size of 2. If you make or lose 1 pip, you're going to be making or losing $20, all right? Because you just multiply that by 10. So if you multiply that by 50, 20 times 50 times 50, you can see that's $1,000. Meaning if the trade doesn't go our way, we'll only lose $1,000 of our account. But if it goes our way, remember we are going for a risk to reward of 1:2, meaning we are going for 100 pips. You multiply that, you see $2,000. So we are risking $1,000 to go for $2,000. So you can always do reverse psychology to confirm your answer. So that is it. You just go back to your trading terminal. You go on lot size place. You put 2. You put 2 lot size. Click on buy, and then you just go on modify. You put your stop loss, 50 pips, take profit, 100 pips, risk to reward of 1:2. Or if you are going for a risk to reward of 1:3, your take profit is going to be 150 pips, and so on. That is it. And then that is it for a commodity or for a meta. Let's go to indices. Indices like US 100. All right. Let's go to indices like US 100. And we're just going to take this typical example I'm seeing again right here. This cross would have been confirmed right here. This cross, this would have been a sell. Where is it again? This would have been a sell right here. So it would have just been risking about, let's just say, about 1,500 or 150 pips. Would have been risking about, remember, when it comes to indices like NASDAQ, US 30, the P value is totally different. So you need to bear that in mind, right? Good. So our stop loss, let's just say our stop loss, we wanted to put our stop loss on 1,500 or 150 pips, 1,500 points or 150 pips, and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. It means we already know the asset. What is the asset again? We're just using the same formula. Asset again is what? NASDAQ, which is US 100. Account size 100K. The risk in pips 150 pips or 1,500 points. And then percentage risk is 1,500. Percentage risk is 1% of our account. So we'll go back to the software again. We go to US. This one, it used to be, you just need to check US. Or let's check NAS. NAS 100. Okay, when it comes to indices, another website you can use if you come here and you are finding it difficult to locate indices, any other currency pairs and commodities, you find them on this software, on Lionheart Funding Program Position Size Calculator. But if you are trading something like indices, I want you to go to Cashback Forex. Cashback Forex, just like Cashback Forex. That's it. Just go to Cashback Forex. I'm going to leave the link on the video description so that you can go there. I'm not affiliated to the website. That's just a website I use on a daily basis, right? So, sorry. So just go to Cashback Forex, and then that's what you're going to be using for US 30, US 100, NASDAQ, and all of that. So we just go here, and what we do is we select US Tech, US currency, the currency pair is US dollar. The open price, that's where you need to put the open price. The open price is normally the current market price. So let's go on NASDAQ and confirm the current market price. Current market price is 2130, 2130, 2132, correct? That is it. So let's use a current example. Let's just assume we want to sell this market, right? Let's assume we want to sell here, since we are still in a downtrend. Wanted to put our stop loss here on maybe 1,000 or maybe 1,000 points or 100 pips, and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Good. So we already know that. So our stop loss is going to be where? Our stop loss is going to be on 2233. 2233. Stop loss is going to be on 2233. 2233. And then account size is 100, risk per trade. So this one, you don't even need to put the number of pips you are risking. You already know the number of pips. What you need to key into the software is instead the price. Remember, I already know I'm going to be risking 100 pips, but what I key in here is the price. You can see that's the price right there. This is the price of this one here and the price of my take profit. You see. So what I need to key in is just the price of my stop loss level. Then when I go on my trading software, when I already click on sell, this is the price of my take profit. It's right there, which is 19.929. So that's what I need. You can see everything is already there. US tech, US dollar. That's the open price, which is the current market price. Stop loss in pips. That's it. And then that's my account balance. I'm going to be risking 1%. So let's click on calculate. That is it. That is it. You can see unit price stands for the lot size you're going to be using. Money at risk, since I'm risking 1% of my account, you can see that is it, $1,000. So that is it. You just copy. The lot size you're going to be using on that trade is 9.9 or 10 lot size. Remember, for indices like US Tech, US 100 or US 30, the pip value is totally different. That's why it's very normal for you to trade with a 10 lot size, 20 lot size, 30 lot size, because one pip can just be like $5, $10. So don't get yourself confused. So that is it, guys. We've already spun across. If I can go back to his question, you can see he wanted to know how to calculate. I even added currency pairs. So he didn't ask about currency pairs, so I even added currency pairs. I've shown you guys how you can calculate the lot size for metals. I've shown you guys how you can calculate the lot size for indices. You can calculate the lot size for silver, all of that. Everything is inside the strategy I just showed you, or the system I showed you guys on how to calculate your lot size across all these other asset. So let me know what next you want to know. Remember, I'm here because of you guys. I'm here to help you be profitable as soon as possible. So please make sure you let me know on the comment section. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment on the video if you enjoy content like this. Also let me know on the comment section the challenges you're facing as a Forex trader, and I'll try my best to see if I can do videos explaining to you guys step by step for free how you can be able to sort these things out, how you can be able to fine-tune your way to profitability in Forex trading. I always used to tell you guys, the fight is with poverty, not with one another. Even if we are all making $1 million every day, we're just going to be about 5% of the entire retail Forex industry. So there's no need for hate, there's no need for beefing, there's no need for fighting, there's no need for greediness. The fight is with poverty. So let me know in the comment section any challenge you're having, and I'll reply to that particular comment, or I might do a video with that particular comment if I see that it is really something I need to step on my camera and do a video to explain to you guys. If you want me to mentor you one-on-one, make sure you check Golov University. The link is on the video description, where I'm going to be able to mentor and teach you on how to trade Forex from A to Z with my 10 years of experience. Also check my free Telegram community to join a community of traders that are sharing ideas on a daily basis. Check Paytrex Pro, which has won award 3 years in a row as the most profitable and the most viral Forex robot, which you can use on your Profirm account to pass your challenge very, very easily, or you can use even on your private account. Also check the link below to get funded with a prop firm, which is going to give you up to $600,000 in capital and process your payouts within 24 hours. So check all those recommended links on the video description, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.